Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for. The National Periodic Test 2017. This is the third one so far. The 2011 one failed, but the 2016 one had better success. So, I have recorded 5 stations for you. But first, let's turn on the television. And my DIRECTV receiver. Yes, I do have DIRECTV at my home. I know the 2011 one had that Lady Gaga problem. Yeah, we all remember that, don't we? Anyways, let's cut the crap and get to the first recording. First, KWTX-TV, Channel 12, affiliated with the CW. Hold up. Let me get to that EAS moment. Okay. Okay. Rewinding. Oh, here we go. The primary entry point EAS system has issued a national periodic test for the following counties or areas. United States at 1:20 p.m. on September 27, 2017, effective until 1:50 p.m. Message from KWTX-FM.
This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Same old script from the 2016 National EAS test. Alright, what's next? Let's get back to my recording list. Okay, Univision. On this Univision recording, there is an EAS screen that DIRECTV has brought up during Como Dice el Dicho. Okay, let's go. It's said that they will do the Spanish version of the National Periodic Test. But they did not. Oh. Only 2 headers. That's a bad one. God, that quality is horrid! But hey, at least the Lady Gaga problem is gone. And no EOM tones. Great. Alright. Is DIRECTV still a failure? You decide. I think it is. Next, KWKT, affiliated with Fox. Let's go. Yeah, he was on Maury at the time. Whoops. Get back. Stay tuned for the EAS test. Okay, I can hear the audio. The primary entry point EAS. Oh. It's there again. That's 4 headers so far. And another layer of attention signals.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
On this EAS, the volume doesn't go back up until frickin' later. That's a fail. I'm just gonna wait until volume goes back up. Oh, they're gonna bring it back up here. Alright, volume is back up. Next is KYLE. Is affiliated with MyNetwork TV. Let's go. With this one, nothing has been done to the audio. The audio is not affected at all. The primary entry point EAS system has issued a national periodic test for the following counties or areas: United States. At 1:20 p.m. on September 27, 2017, effective until 1:50 p.m. Message from KWKT TV. Well, that's a freaking failure. Oh. Accidentally hit the channel button. Okay, what's next? KWTX Channel 10. Yeah, I know there's going to be a little bit confusion with KWTX Channel 10 and 12, but they're affiliated with a different TV company. But this time, KWTX TV Channel 10 is CBS affiliated. Here we go.
The kids in, put people in, car seats, drive there, shop, blah, 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 or I can click one button and have it delivered. So I think these people are going, how can we compete with that? And I think they're trying to add an additional service. But I would want to be home. So I let
You
you
could sit in the
in.
kitchen.
Yeah,
say,
and maybe if you get like the same couple delivery people each time or
Yeah.
something,
Yeah.
and they come in, great, come cook me dinner. Do all of it.
Her laughter triggered the EAS. The Primary Entry Point EAS system has issued a national periodic test for the following counties or areas. United States.
This is a national test
Ooh,
of the
sounds so
emergency alert
clear.
system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Okay. That should be all the stations. Cool. Just want to make sure. Okay. I don't have any more stations. Now,
In our home, we make memories.
hold up. Okay then. I have decoded all the headers, as I did in the September required monthly test. Here we go. Hold on, let me focus that. Okay. This is what I got from KWTX Channel 12, affiliated with the CW. CC, Primary Entry Point issued the National Periodic Test for all the US for 30 minutes on the 270th day in the year at 1820 or 620. I'm not sure what time zone that is. Might be Greenwich time. And it's from KWTX/TV and then a space. And here we have the 3 EOMs. What's next? Oh. Sorry about that. There was no EOM at DIRECTV or on Univision, as I captured it from. Hold up, let me get my mouse back in. Okay. CCCC, Primary Entry Point System, issued the National Periodic Test for all the United States for 30 minutes on the 270th day at 6:20. I'm not sure what that time zone is, to be honest. And it's from DIRECTV. And it only transmitted 2 freaking times. Okay, what's next? KWKT. CCCC. Yeah, there's one extra header in there before the message really came in. CCCC Primary Entry Point issued the National Periodic Test for 30 minutes for the United States on the 270th day at 6:20, and it's from KWKT TV. And then the EOMs. Last station. CCCC Primary Entry Point has issued the National Periodic Test for the United States for 30 minutes on the 270th day at 6:20 unknown time zone, and it's from KWTX TV. Oh, and that's affiliated with CBS on Channel 10. The first header right there is also from the same sender ID, but this header came from KWTX Channel 12, affiliated with the CW. I'm only seeing 2 EOMs. Did I accidentally delete one? Okay. Anyways. Hope you enjoyed this video. I got some uploading to do, guys. See ya.